Well, what we're seeing with the increased population, we reached 7 billion just recently, and it's going to continue to increase, is the strain on resources and the rising cost of goods. We must be smarter in how we design our packaging.
The most important driver for packaging innovation in the next 5 years is resources, use and lack of resources. As the population grows around the world immensely, and packaging is recognized for saving waste.
Packaging innovation in the next 5 years is going to be driven by the whole sustainability movement that we're finding ourselves involved in and progressing more and more. So for me, the next 5 years is going to be a big movement forward for technology because of the green agenda, and many of the companies in the fast-moving consumer goods world have already made really ambitious announcements which is going to require technology to advance them.
The most important driver from my perspective for the packaging industry in the next 5 years is how to innovate with affordability in mind, because at the end of the day our products have to reach the mass of the population.
If you take innovations are driven by people, and according to our expectation, the fight for talents, people will become the most important topic.
The most important innovation for the next 5 years is sustainability, by restructure, redesign, simplify process in order to make a cheaper cost of the packaging.
But if you look at India and China and the rest of Asia, it's much more about affordability. How do you create packages that allow people to have wider access of materials and products that might have been sold in bulk in a developed economy? How do you make it more available and more affordable?
One of them is urbanization. In Brazil, we have the majority of the population lives at urban sites. So we have to move the packaging industry near to the rural in order to have all the products produced, manufactured there again to reduce the waste.